Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take time to show you guys a brand new 2021 Scout 235 Dorado that we just received in for a custom ordered boat from a customer of ours. We got to take a moment and look at it. We did the white powder coat on the structure of the hardtop. That was a beautiful upgrade this customer chose to complement that elegantly fiberglass in windshield that the 235 Dorado is famous for. He also did the full hull midnight blue from top to bottom. We got that stainless steel rubber insert. And then to the back, he also complemented that white hardtop with the white Mercury 300 Dorado. And one of the famous things on the 235 Dorado is this beautiful swim platform that walks full through with that sea deck that looks like that faux teak. So we'll take a moment, we'll walk inside and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, I did forget to mention this boat was ordered with the ski tow option. This customer's got a nice young family that can do a lot of skiing and tubing. I got to show you the convertible cockpit. So right now it's all stored away for easy getting in and out of the boat or fishing. It's quickly converted to a lounge state for lots of people. So you have the settee, then we flip this aft seat with the backrest. Now we've got an aft-facing lounge sitting right underneath the beautiful hardtop, conveniently placed with a cooler box just underneath it, as well as our prep area, glove box storage that's lit, stainless steel sink, cutting board, and then our slide-out 35-quart Yeti. So this is standard on the 235 Dorado, just so you guys are aware. This customer did choose the Cayenne with the Macella inlay. So this is the Macella package from Scout. It looks really good with that full hull midnight blue hull color. Moving to the front, the customer chose the stainless steel standard steering wheel. This is standard with a tiltable helm. He did get the power steering with that Dorado package, as well as we went the standard 9-inch Garmin. Conveniently placed glove box that's lockable with USB ports and charger. He did do the indicator switch for our trim tabs there. And then as well as we got the Mercury vessel view down below, he did want to see that engine display data. Our standard Fusion stereo there. We'll flip this windshield over. And I'll note, we don't do this in a lot of the videos, but this windshield flip through can actually be removed, stored just to the back side of the head there. So if you don't want to see that big bulky flip, you don't have to for that full fiberglass windshield. Gianna, if you pull up in here, you'll see there is our head. So there's our vacuum flush head system that was upgraded. Porcelain head, and then you got the Corian with the stainless steel sink over there. Flip through, walk through door. We can divert that wind, but as well as systems access and a huge dry storage for all those day bags. Moving to the bow, flip armrests on both port and starboard. And then easy access to our dry storage. Those are also insulated boxes, courtesy lights down below. So beautiful storage up front, easy in and out, but a nice big deep hull. So nice and secure as your kids are up front. This customer did get the JL Audio upgraded speakers as well. So those are noted in the bow, as well as the rod holder cup holders in the front. So that customer will likely add a sunshade to the bow of their boat. Guys, my name again is Dotson Guys with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this Scout 235 Dorado we showed you today, please reach us at 843-747-1889. And again, thank you for watching.